everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today is Herbalife Wednesday. We're going to be making a strawberry cheesecake protein shake that I think you're going to love. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite Herbalife shake. This is strawberry cheesecake. Who doesn't like strawberry cheesecake? You could make a plain cheesecake by omitting the fruit. It's gonna be just as delicious. I do that for Rick sometimes, but today we're gonna do a strawberry cheesecake. This one is super basic. You do this same recipe that you would do to make a vanilla protein shake, which is 1 scoop of vanilla protein drink mix, 2 scoops of vanilla Formula 1, but this time we're gonna add a tablespoon of sugar-free instant cheesecake pudding mix, and we're gonna add 5 to 6 frozen strawberries. When it's all finished, we're gonna top off our shake and we're gonna dress it with some crushed graham cracker, and it's gonna be delicious. We're gonna go in with our powders and our water. We have 8 ounces of water here. I just use the water that comes out of my fridge because it counts the ounces, so that's a perk too. Remember, you want to blend this for 10 to 15 seconds before you add your ice. Okay, now we're going to add our fruit. And when you add frozen fruit, you don't have to add as much ice. So I'm going to add like 5 ice cubes, and that's going to make it super thick and creamy. And make sure you pulse so that you don't break your blade. Those strawberries are really, really hard and you can break your blade. When you can no longer hear any more ice and fruit moving around in there, you can take it off the stand and you can pour it in your cup. You see how beautiful and thick and creamy that is? Ugh, I can't wait to have my afternoon shake today. And we're gonna top this with some crushed graham cracker. Like you can do 1 graham cracker that you crush. I do like to crush those in advance, but there you go. There is your strawberry cheesecake Herbalife protein shake. Who is gonna say no to that? Not me. I hope you give this a try. If you want more information about Herbalife and how it can help change your life, I'm on my way currently to losing 50 pounds. I can't wait to hit that goal. Making small goals and making small changes is a great way to make your life a little healthier. If you're interested, there'll be a link down below. You can check it out. And if you are already on Herbalife and looking for shake inspiration, I hope that you give this strawberry cheesecake shake a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.